Getting the most power in your vehicle can be pricey. I mean, it's expensive, but this Ohio-based Ford dealership says it doesn't have to be. Listen up, people, this is cool. Lebanon Ford Performance is the same dealership that offered the LFP 727 Performance upgrade for $40,000 last year. And this year, their Pick Your Power deal brings, well, it brings the LFP Hellion package. This is sick because it includes the entire car, and it's gonna run you $52,000 for everything. The LFP Hellion package will be built completely in-house, and it's reported to put out 800 horsepower at the crank, 7 to 8 pounds of boost to get it there. It includes a Hellion Turbo System with a twin 62mm precision-built turbo system, 1,000 cc injectors, and several other features, all included in the price. So if you're looking for a new ride and a lot of horsepower, and you don't want to buy a SUV for 50 grand or a pickup truck, dude, go check that thing out. That's impressive. For more details, check out PowerNationTV.com.